The internet is undoubtedly the greatest invention of mankind. It has transformed the entire Earth into a global village, and this achievement is made possible through submarine optical cables. But how are these optical cables laid so deep under the sea? In reality, all you need is an optical cable-laying ship. First, attach the optical cable to a buoy and place it in the water. The tugboat will then extend the edge of the optical cable floating on the water and locate an excavator from Shandong to pull it ashore. Finally, connect it to the optical cable on land. The subsequent steps are even more critical. The actual submarine laying process begins with an underwater robot, which has an automatic positioning function and is responsible for laying the optical cable along the designated route. To bury the optical cable, deploy the cable-laying vessel into the water. It drags the optical cable across the seabed using high-pressure water columns and cutting heads to loosen the mud and sand, creating an optical cable trench where the cable is buried. However, only optical cables in shallow sea areas need to be buried in the seabed. In deep sea areas, the cables can be directly laid on the seabed, but this laying method requires precision because the seabed often features rugged and steep terrain. If the ship travels too fast, the tension on the optical cable may cause it to break over time. Conversely, sailing too slowly wastes the cable and risks tangling. Therefore, thorough planning and investigation are essential before laying the optical cables. A cautionary example is the West African submarine optical cable, which broke and left more than a dozen countries on the west coast of Africa without internet access. Additionally, for unknown reasons, sharks seem to have a penchant for chewing on submarine optical cables. So, if you experience slow internet speeds, it might just be the sharks indulging in a snack. Feel free to like and follow for more informative 3D videos.